I have lost my keys. Can you help me look for them?
She has lived in London for 3 years.
We haven't finished our homework yet.
Have you ever been to Japan? He has broken his leg, so he can't walk now. They have already seen the movie. She has gone to the dentist twice this month. We have known each other since 2005. I have seen that movie before. Have you finished your project yet? My sister has just written her first novel. They have never been to Paris. How long have you lived in this house? I have lost my wallet. She has got a new job recently. We have been working in the new office since January. He hasn't gone to the gym yet. Have they ever been skiing? I have just finished lunch. She has never tried sushi before.